In this video, I'll show you how to fix the EasyAntiCheat 30005 error code. Now to fix this, the first thing you want to do is open up your File Explorer, and from in here we're going to look for our EasyAntiCheat folder. Now mine is on the C drive and yours most likely is as well, under Program Files, and you should have an EasyAntiCheat folder. Now if you have EasyAntiCheat, just that name, or if you have EasyAntiCheat EOS, both are fine, just open it up and look for this file, EasyAntiCheat.sys. Simply delete this one, press continue here. Once you've done that, what you want to do is you want to try and relaunch the game and see if this works. Now if you don't have this file for some reason, it's already deleted, so just head over to the next step. What we want to do is we want to open up our Steam, go into our library and find the game that you're having trouble with. Let's just do this as an example. You would choose it, Properties, Installed Files, and then verify integrity of demo files, game files if it's not a demo. Once it's done doing that, there's one last thing that you want to try. You want to open up Task Manager. In Processes, you want to make sure that you don't have another game opened that uses EasyAntiCheat. So if you see that you have two of the games and one of them is running in the background, you want to make sure that you close that one down. After all of that, it should hopefully work. Now, as a last resort, you can try and uninstall EasyAntiCheat completely just by going into the apps here. And you can also try uninstalling the game if it still happens. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.